Hey guys, lead trainer with StocksToTrade Tim going back with you. Just want to go over a quick tip on something that is working really well right now, and the setup we talk about in StocksToTrade Pro daily last few weeks, and are really starting to zoom in on even closer lately. So this is a great setup, especially for when you miss that morning move. Nailed ZAIS today, but had a couple of good plays the last few days and went over this actually last night. I do twice weekly strategy sessions in StocksToTrade Pro where we talk about what's working right now and these VWAP breaks on these low float or lower float stocks like ZAIS is what I want to talk about today. So this basically either a bounce or push through VWAP. If you're day trading right now, I recommend using VWAP. All indicators, take with a grain of salt. None of them are guaranteed. None of them are going to instantly make you profitable. But a lot of the times traders rotate in and out of trendy technical indicators, and VWAP is that. So want to just quickly recap how I traded and what we were looking for this morning on ZAIS. Now, we missed kind of these initial move, and then at when it was up here in the 370s and over 4, it just felt too high. So that is where I kind of say, okay, I am going to look to now reassess based on VWAP, either a VWAP bounce or a grind through VWAP into the midday, late day. And ZAIS is a perfect example. As you see, it goes to new highs. But so it kind of tanked through VWAP, tracked sideways for a little bit, and then right here when it broke at 375, let me look at my trade plan. All trade plans and plans as well as actual trades are timestamped in STT Pro. So went long at basically exactly at 11:30 a.m., which is when it broke at 375. Now I took profits way too early in the high 420s, but I mean you're talking 50 cents a share in minutes. Really wanted to hang around for the high of day break, though I didn't. Hindsight trading, it happens. 50 cents in 8 minutes, I'm almost always going to take that trade. But what the smart trade would have been, wait around a little bit longer to see if we get this high day break. I mean, we're seeing these stocks run. I mean, this market is unreal opportunity. And, if anything, I probably should have took off half and been a little bit more patient, because then you can see it bases here in the 470s and now is pushing to new highs. So use VWAP, guys. Just go to your basically little speedometer icon on your chart, turn on VWAP. I don't use a ton of indicators. I like to focus on what is working right now. And maybe that's next month it's MACD, maybe 6 months from now it's Bollinger Bands, but right now it's VWAP. I recommend using it, and especially if you miss these big moves on these low float runners, let it be your guide. I set an alert right here this morning when it was in the the 350s, 348s, VWAP was in the 370s. I set an alert there to notify me, ran back to my desk, got a pretty good entry, and took 50 cents a share in about 8 or 10 minutes. So thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you next time.